Today, guys, ghost explorations out here with Rissmiller's Relics out here. Just look at this. Look at this entryway, guys. So crazy. My limb cube's pretty much dead though, so relying on a flashlight light today. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so like I said, it's ghost explorations out here. We're out here with Rissmiller's Relics today, and we're exploring the massive, insane asylum, well, government asylum. And they wanted to figure out why the Nazi POWs were crazy. So, they injected them with something called truth serum, which is like a mystery formula of marijuana. Don't ask me how they did it, but that was what their goal was figuring out why the Nazis were so bad.
There's like a little bed with like a play kitchen. And it just gets you thinking, like, damn, somebody fucking grew up here.
Yeah.
I think that's not the case, but...
Yeah, you know, I think that's the worst part of these places, is that then you realize that people lived here.
If this was somebody's home.
And you look at just how...
I met a couple guys from Rhode Island, Long Island rather, same thing. We met down.
Or is this the seclusion room? Just like look at the door. Like the door makes me feel like it's the padded room.
Kind of does, doesn't it?
Yeah. And that they were observing you from this room over here. But I think I can see through this.
Yeah.
So it's not the same thing.
This would be the observation room.
This is the observation room here?
Looks very clinical, like an office.
Yeah, yeah. Weird, maybe over time the blackness of the reflective window.
Could be with heat too, if it was
yeah.
exposed to heat and moisture.
Damn. Man. Did the vandals just forget this, like the floor in between?
Yeah.
Because like this one's torn up too. Look at this then. Look at it, turn around when you're done. Look at that.
Holy shit.
I'm assuming that was a water fountain. So yes, what I was just explaining to my co-explorer today was that, you know, like, you never know what you're going to find in these buildings. We went through 3 floors that were trashed. The 4th floor was surprisingly pretty clean. The 5th floor is like an added crawl space and it's also trashed. But then you have these gorgeous cupboards up here. So like, you know, if you just go, and the first time I wanted to come here, I just wanted one room in this place. And we're going to get there. However, I'm glad I didn't, you know, I'm glad I, you know, came to see what else this place had to offer. And that's also the thing, is like, when you're looking at that building, it's like, holy hell, that's a huge ass building. And you're like, you know what, there's 8 of them that are all that. Wow. Look at this stuff, guys.
Alright, get across the hall here.
Okay.